Hellcat. My favorite color, might I add. Check the lineup. Oh look, I love this car.
It's gonna be funny. Yeah.
I had 4 Rolls Royces. One of them, my umbrella got screwed up, and I went to price one, and it was like $1,800 something to be warranted. Yeah.
This thing is absolutely huge.
They had a old school Beetle like this that was so low to the ground or bad. Really?
6.75 liter V12.
Oh yeah. Dude, it was so low.
I saw it. It had 30 miles when I got it. It's got 400. I've been driving the hell out of it all week.
It's pretty though.
It's got 400 miles now. Huh?
So is it worth it?
Yeah. I love Rolls Royces. I mean, better than crawling in and out of my Lamborghini. My back hurts every time I bring that car outside.
Yeah. We need someone to drive that before you.
Yeah. When I came to the last one.
Did he ever get out of the I talked too much stuff. Yeah, I lied.
All right, we have an FD, and it's been Frankenstein. Check it out. LS swap. Godlike.
I gotta take a picture of this. Friend of mine. He got a white SS.
Oh. Wow. Okay, everybody, check it out. Ooh-wee. Turbocharged Corvette. Clean.
Thank you for watching Swarm Mob.